Hi, my name is Hayden, and I'm doing Haswell Elementary STLP math lessons. We're doing long division today. So our number is 8,463. The number we are dividing it by is 3. The first thing you're going to do is ask if 3 can go into 8. It can go into 8 2 times, so you'll put a 2 over the 8. And 3 times 2 equals 6. So you subtract that from 8, and it would equal 2. You drop down your 4, because that's how you get your next number to divide by. 3 will go into 24 8 times. So you put your 8 over the 4, and you subtract 24 from 24, and you get 0. Next, you're going to drop down your 6. And then 3 will go into 6 2 times, because 3 times 2 equals 6. So you put your 2 over your 6 in the dividing house. Then you drop down your 3, and you subtract the 6 and get 0, and then you drop down your 3, and 3 can go into 3 one time. So that will be 1, and 3 minus 3 equals 0.